I'm Chanel Beck, head stylist at Mermade Hair, and today we're going to be talking about the M Ionic Hair Dryer, also known as the M Dryer. M Dryer comes with 4 magnetic attachments and has a really cool foldable design, which is great for traveling. So first up we have the diffuser, which I think is actually so underused because even if you've curled your hair, obviously for the curly hair girls, great, but if you've curled your hair and you're still trying to elevate and volumize your curls, you can also use it on like a cool shot. Then we have our drying attachment, which is super sleek and small, great for like a blast off, or you can still use a brush as well and use it as just like an average hair dryer. And then we have the left and right curling barrel. It actually uses air to wrap the hair around, and it gives such a beautiful curl, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Our M Dryer is part of our M range, which means it is super powerful and it's suitable for professional hairdressers and at home use as well. It has a digital screen, so you can actually see the multiple heat settings on there, and there's a cool shot button as well. So I've just popped some heat protector in and I'm going to go through and just blast that dry. The M Dryer is actually one of my favorites. I feel like I'm almost cheating using this because I can do a full bouncy blow dry in like 5 minutes. So let me show you how to do that. Quite large sections with this as well, so keep in mind you don't want your hair width any wider than the barrel itself. So that's quite wide, so it's great for the long hair girlies as well. So you can see me rocking the tool back and forth. You don't have to do this. I just find it does smooth out the hair just that little bit more. If your hair was quite curly at the roots or a little bit unruly through there, I would try smooth that out first before using the curling attachment. Now the cool shot comes into play for longevity. So if you want your curls to last a little bit longer, or you feel like they drop out a little bit quicker than you'd like, the cool shot is gonna set that curl in its place and it's gonna last quite a bit longer. And because we do have 4 different attachments, the M Dryer really is for anyone. So from fine hair to medium to coarse, there's an attachment for everything. So this literally took me only a few minutes. So look at that bounce.